Shugor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ha ka step jong ka sngi tho ding. Nongdie Madan kilalit tur sya ka office trekam jong ka Shillong Municipal Board ban pinpau ka jing persya ya ka jing slam ban a ya ki certificate of vending. Kani ka jing litur Nongdie Madan menta ka step ka deru ban pinpau ba ka jing bomhun ya ki jaka bala ai sya Nongdie Madan ki bala yo jaka hamuda parking lot but hajaka yang kali persya ka SBI main branch. Lasakhi badaki spangut Nongdie Madan kilalit bantur sya kateka office bat layo iru baki kali kila sakut namar kajing yang kipat ba Nongdie Madan hapo surok.
Siya kan dapat surat kan like
The traffic is blocked. It is because they have shut the gates to the municipal office. It is not the fault of the hawkers. We were just going to peacefully sit there and protest. Please take them to account.